Hi everyone, today's quick tip video is how to remove your ScanNCut machine from your Canvas Workspace account. So the reason you may want to do this is you may have sold the machine and somebody else wants to create a Canvas Workspace account and register the serial number to that machine. The way that you would remove it from your account in order that the new owner can do that is you need to log into your Canvas Workspace online account. So this is Canvas Workspace online that I have on the screen at the moment, and I'm just going to log in with my login ID and password. Once you've logged into your account, this is what you will see. You need to go up to the top right hand side of the screen where it will show your name or the name that you registered your account with, and you need to select that. Then from here you can either go to machine registration or it's also over on the left. Select either one of those, it doesn't really matter which, and then it will show you the machine that you have registered. Next to the details of the machine is a little arrow. You select that arrow and then you scroll down, and here it says remove registered machine. If you have more than one machine registered in here, you select the machine that you want. So if you've got, say, this machine and then another machine, you click on the arrow next to the machine that you want to remove, okay? And then, as I say, you just select it, and then on this next page it will show the details of that machine again that you selected, and you'll be given the option to remove it. I'm not going to remove it because obviously I use this machine, but again you click on the little arrow against remove and it says here remove the registered machine. If you click remove, data cannot be transferred to the registered machine, and then you would just click remove and that should remove it from your Canvas Workspace account. And then when somebody goes and registers that same machine on their account, they shouldn't have any problems because you've removed it already from your account. So I hope that helps. That was just a quick tip video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.